Hi, Jim Matthews here from Champion Trading Corp, Marlboro, New Jersey. We're testing a 2 cubic foot Patterson Kelley V blender. Turn it on and see how it runs. It's on a factory stand. It's got a butterfly valve, 4 to 6 inch. I'm not sure what the dimensions are. It's a 2 cubic foot Patterson Kelley. 2 separate lids mount on the top. You'll find it's a perforated lid, and the reason why they perforate is so the pressure is built up. Patterson Kelley figured that out many years ago, so that the powder doesn't get in the seals. This is a Patterson Kelley, 60 pounds per cubic foot, 2 cubic foot capacity, 239693. That's the serial number. It's got 2 drives on it. It's got a gearhead drive, 3/4 horsepower by Baldor, and it's got a 2 horsepower, 3-phase voltage, 234/60, running the bar drive. But as you can see, there's no bar in there. When it comes around, there's applications for a liquid solids bar, but there is no bar. Anyway, just wanted to give you a little video of it running and operating here at our facility in Marlboro, New Jersey. Visit us on the web at champtrading.com. And thanks for today, and hope we can help you out. On our website we have many pieces of equipment similar in blending and mixing and filling and capping and packaging and processing. Have a great day.